So how can you make all the photos have the same length on CapCut? Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. So let's jump right into it. Make sure you have the CapCut app installed and then go ahead and open it. Now tap on New Project. From here, select the images that you want to use in this video. And then tap on Add in the bottom right corner. As you can see, we have all of our photos here. To set them up to the same length, select the photo and then drag from the left of it and set it to the same duration as the other photos that you have selected, just like that. Now you can go ahead and crop the photos or fill in the void to make the photos look better. So I'll just select the photo. I'm just going to adjust the tape right here for a second, just like that. As you can see, we have the same length for the photos. Now tap on the photo and zoom in, adjust them however you want. So this one, I'm going to zoom it in a little bit. This one as well. This one too. And do the same basically for every photo to make it look even better. And that is it for this video, guys. Once you're done, tap on export in the top right corner. And then just like that, you will have a video with the same length of every photo in it. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thanks for watching.